Now what if you didn't want the formula references to be relative? What if you wanted to refer to a cell no matter where you pasted the formula? So for instance, say I've got a single number here and then I have several numbers in this column. And let's say that I want to add this number to each one of these and get the result. With this first cell here it's pretty easy. I just do this one plus this and I get the result. If I copy and paste that one below, it's going to be using this cell here, which has nothing in it. So 0 plus 6 and I get 6. But I want it to be 8 plus 6. So what I could do is I could tell the formula that I don't want that cell reference to be relative. I want it to be the opposite, which is absolute. So let's double click here and look in this formula. And notice there's a little down arrow here that tells me I can click and get some options, a little menu. And here you see preserve row and preserve column. Now if I check, say, preserve row, no matter what row I paste this formula in, the reference will stay as row 2. And if I do it for column, no matter what column I paste the formula in, the column will no longer follow as I paste, say, 2 or 3 columns over. It's still going to stay column B. Having them both means no matter what happens, it's still going to be B2, which is what I want. So I don't need to have both of these checked, but I will do it anyway. And now this formula still refers to B2 plus C2. But if I were to copy it and paste it, I get the answer 14. You could see it now refers to B2 and C3. That's because there's an absolute value for the reference for this cell here. So you could see it represented by a $sign, $B, $2. And that means the column B and the row 2 are preserved no matter where I paste it. So I could copy here, paste all throughout, and you could see each one of these is now this value plus this value. And I can click there and I could see the exact cells that are referenced in the formula. And this will come in real handy in creating more complex spreadsheets as you need to perform calculations that use a constant value or some other value that doesn't have to do with what particular row the formula is in.